The Spaniards branded our bodies with hot irons. They branded our souls with their religion, branded our tongues with their language, and branded our very identities by forcing us to take their last names, all of which was done to label us as their property. And by the way, this is a great book. It's called The American Holocaust. It has a lot of information and lots of gems. See you guys next time. Let me know below if you want to learn more about the history, the language, or the mixture of it, or the mix between the language and history. Peace.